Welcome back to new in Unity 6.0 updates. Let's move on to UI Toolkit. They added an option to force gamma rendering for the UI Toolkit in linear color space projects. They added missing UXML attribute converters to support UXML authoring, gradient, animation curve, toggle button group state, unsigned int, and unsigned long. They added support in property field for toggle button group state serialized properties. Native texture generator rewrite. With the text generator, you can use a wide variety of languages and scripts such as right to left, RTL, languages like Arabic and Hebrew. Added a debugger for the UI Toolkit Dynamic Atlas. They added support for deep nested attribute overrides in UXML and UI Builder. They added type selector using search. And they added a search field in the UI Builder library. You can now use a new and flexible runtime binding system to effortlessly connect data values to UI element properties when you create the editor or runtime UI. You can configure data binding in either UI Builder or in C# code. Added new controls such as the toggle button group, tab, and tab views, and made improvements to existing controls. Added icon support to the button, list view, and tree view controls. Added new UXML element and UXML attributes. These attributes replace the existing UXML factory and UXML traits when you create custom controls. This streamlines the creation of custom controls, offering an efficient alternative through C# attributes, and eliminating the need for extensive code writing. For more information, refer to Migrate Custom Controls from an earlier version link. Additionally, you can now create custom property drawers for fields in the same manner as the inspector. Enhanced UI Builder with improvements to display what drives style properties, refined canvas manipulation, and made other enhancements. The updated UI Builder now also supports the authoring of UXML objects, enabling the editing of the multi-column tree view and multi-column list view. Added the emojis fallback support field to text element and text field to control the ordering of where to search for the glyph in the emoji range, primary font versus global fallback. Additionally, added basic support for the OpenType font features, with the current focus on enabling kerning. Added a new spacing field with a box modal widget in the UI Builder's inspector. They added text preview to the UI Builder inspector, added an anchor widget to the position properties in the UI Builder inspector pane, and they added basic analytics to UI Builder, added space evenly to justify content property, and added support for bitmap text. Finally, they added vertex buffer size configuration. And that was all the changes and updates to UI Toolkit in Unity 6.0.